Hi, I'm Heart Erica Soriano, and this is my CAD/CAM CNC assignment number 1. So first, I modify the tool parameters, coordinate systems, and the speed and feed calculator. So here is the given sample. Next is the converted dimensions program code. On the left is the code, and on the right is what will gonna be the movement, like from point 1 to point 2. G01 or G1 is the CNC command for linear interpolation. Then for point 2 to point 3, G3 or G03 is for counterclockwise arc. And then next is point 3 to point 4, which is G02 or G2 forms a clockwise arc path, and so on. So the first line is the safety line, and next is the tool call. And then the spindle start and move to safe position. It moves in a straight line from point 1 to point 2. Here in G03, it creates a counterclockwise arc from point 2 to point 3. In G02, from point 3 to point 4, it moves clockwise arc direction. Again, in point 4 to point 5, it forms counterclockwise arc. The point 5 to point 6 form clockwise arc. Point 6 to point 7, G03, it moves in counterclockwise arc. Point 7 to point 8, G02, it moves clockwise arc. So G03, point 8 to point 1, it moves counterclockwise arc. This is the closing, and then next is the retraction. And then return, and the program ends. That is all. Thank you.